What's going on, guys? Dan Roman here. Today we are connecting our phone to the Bluetooth deck. We are on the Sylvan Pontoon. Nobody wants to be boating without music, so let's get into it. All right, first things first, let's get to the Bluetooth here, the Bluetooth menu, and we're gonna go to Bluetooth mode, phone select. We're gonna go to auto pairing. Pairing's on. So what we'll do, we'll go to the phone. We're gonna turn on our Bluetooth. It's searching. Let's see if it pops up here. There we go. So the deck name, so that's KMR M32B28BT. We just hit yes. It's pairing. Now we're good to go here. Pairing okay, we just click that volume knob button. Just play some YouTube music here. And there we go. We got music. There you have it, guys. You now have music on the boat. Simple as that. Enjoy.